G'day guys, just a quick one today. Just gone and got the second jab during the day this morning, and I'm just out on site, just doing a bit of chipping. We're just removing this small. It's actually an apricot tree, so we're just chopping this out and just using the steel chainsaw. Still in winter here in Sydney, Australia, so we've got the MS 170, great little saw. We've also got the Michigan chipper, the USA Ravenger chipper. It's a great little bit of equipment as well, guys. It's got the safety, the emergency stop switch, so stop it. Got a stop and start section here as well. It's this is the mouth of it. Just blades in there, 2 blades that spin on a drum, and just spits out, just chips it up and spits it out. I just chip it directly into the bin. Does a great job. Had a guy walk past me today just at that injection centre and said g'day, and he's just messaged me on Instagram and just said that he he obviously knew who I was, and it's just such a small world. It's great to see everyone, people getting out there and getting doing what they can to protect themselves. So it's good to see. So hopefully we see a lot more of it. So I'm just going to continue on. I'll just take some more branches, cut some more branches up, and then we'll throw them through the chipper. One of the other benefits of this machine, guys, is that I can fit it in tight access spaces, so it's narrow enough that I can fit it through gates. But it's not super, like, it is heavy. It's a heavy machine. I don't know exactly how heavy it is, to be honest, but I can wheel it around reasonably easy. Like, that's one-handed at the moment. and it wheels quite easy. And what I do is I park the truck or the ute and trailer just on I'll spin around and get it on a downward slope, so I'm not dragging it uphill, so I'm just dragging it downhill, and I can get it up into that trailer reasonably easily. Just up the ramps. So I'll spin around, you know, it's going uphill this way, but I'll just drive up and turn around and face it downhill. This is what it looks like around my area at the moment. A lot of the lawns are dormant. We're in winter at the moment, so everything's pretty dormant, but give it another few weeks and soil temperature will start to warm up and things will start to grow again.